Welcome back to Whitt Acres. Today we're switching gears on the homestead from winter to spring. We have a gorgeous day here today. I think this is the first day of the year that we have a high up over 80 degrees. It is a little bit windy today and we're expecting a storm later that's going to bring in some rain tonight. And this morning all the extra boys just left for camp, all the roosters and the drakes. Pup, so we have less animals on the homestead right now and less pens that are occupied. So we're going to go around and get some things cleaned up, get ready for spring where we're going to have some more new animals coming in. Pup. We put some tarps around the coops for winter, try and keep the cold air from blowing in on the animals, but we're going to be pulling those off today so we can have fresh air blowing through. Pups. What are you doing, Mav? What are you chewing on? That doesn't look like a toy. You pup. But I am loving the warmth from the sun right now. It's actually t-shirt weather. And if you're looking for some nature-inspired t-shirt designs, check out my website, whittacresdesigns.com, for nature-inspired designs like this one I'm wearing. Easily distracted by nature, we have the farm animal edition. But I have a lot of designs on there and a lot of different products, so see if you can find something you like, and we have new designs coming. And now we have the chicken yard completely empty. We actually have it closed off from the main flock too to try and get it to green up. And it looks like it's starting to get some color. Pup. The big rooster moved out of the double wide coop and all the boys are gone out of the corner lot coop as well. Oh, I still have Ron's gate open. I gotta get Ron and his family back together. And I think Maybelle and Graybelle might be a little bit sad with the gray boys leaving. We gotta get the pond cover picked up too. I don't think the pond is gonna be freezing anymore. And I'd also like to get the pig pen cleaned out because we're going to have to get in there and get that pressure washed and repainted here before the piglets show up. So we're going to be bouncing around on the homestead a little bit today, just trying to get rid of winter and get ready for spring. Come on, pup. We're going to start over here by the jumbos. All the jumbos are still down here in the hoop coop and they're actually going to be staying here for a little while longer. But the roosters moved out of the halfling hut. So we're going to get all these tarps pulled off here, get them folded up and put away. And it's not going to be today, but we are going to be doing a remodel on the halfling hut. I need to make this taller. I think if I make it taller, I might be able to convince the birds to go inside at night instead of up in the trees like they have been doing. And raising the roof a little bit's going to make it easier for me to get in there as well. Pup. So let's get some things cleaned up. Pup, it looks like the storm is heading north. It's splitting right here. It's pretty dark this direction, but at the split, it gets pretty light towards the barn. Pup, I don't know how much rain we're gonna get, but you got a nice bath today, didn't you? Yeah, you're all fresh and clean. We had a beautiful warm day today to get you all dried off. Got you all air dried. Yeah, I know, still a little itchy. I don't think he has allergies right now. He just has yeast from getting wet every day during mud season. Well, he just got a yeast bath with stuff called coat defense. So we'll see if that helps him out. But over here in the halfling hut, we have it all opened up. And if one of the broody girls hatch out some babies, we can move them right in. Pup, you're not getting it? You're not getting the spot? You need help? Oh, I can help you, bud. Yeah, there you go. That's the spot. Good boy, good boy. Come on, pup. We're gonna try and get the pig pen cleaned out before dinner time. We also have all the mini coops here all opened up and ready for any of the mamas to hatch out some kids. We'll see what happens. It looks like we already have some chickens going broody. Spot, what are you doing over here, girl? You foraging? All right. I don't think any of the ducks are thinking about going broody yet. Mumbles just hatched out her first egg this morning, so it might be a little bit before she thinks about it. Oh yeah, we gotta get Ron and everybody back into their pen. We gotta get them sorted at bedtime. Kaki's still wearing her wrap. Good. We're gonna leave that one on for a full week before we rewrap her. We want to try and hold it in the same spot for as long as possible. Columbiana, you staying inside today? I know it's a little windy to run down to the hemlock tree. You stay in here. We're gonna need the wheelbarrow, pup. But inside here, we need to get the pig pen cleaned out. Pants, you getting something to eat, girl? Good to see you out here. Looking fluffy. Has Rufio seen you yet? I bet he's gonna be excited to see you. Where is my boy? Ladies, have you seen him? He's gotta be around here somewhere. Hold on, girls, we gotta turn the lights on. Pop, let there be light. Beautiful. That's certainly gonna help get the pen cleaned out here. We gotta get this out of here, we gotta get the crate taken out of here, and then we're gonna get the whole floor cleaned up. And I'm thinking we're gonna redo the pig feeder. I wanna get one that's attached to the wall so they can't move it around. But for right now, we're just gonna empty out the pig pen and get it cleaned up because I have to come in here and get this all pressure washed down. And it might be a little bit too cold tomorrow, but we're gonna be getting that done here soon. I gotta see what paint I have to get this freshened up. I wanna keep a white top here, but I might change the color on the bottom. I'm gonna talk to a painting friend of mine that always has some extra stuff, so I'm just gonna see what he has available. And we can get the pig pen looking nice before the pigs arrive. Once it's all clean and freshly painted, we can do the new pig feeder, and then we're also going to be putting a barrel here in the corner for their water. We have a nipple waterer here that feeds off the main water, but I want to put a barrel in here dedicated for the pigs. And I'm really hoping that saves a lot of my water chores this year. And also this feeder, if I can get one mounted to the wall where the pigs can't move it, that's going to make things a lot easier too. Now I'd like to make all the chores easier here on the homestead so I can spend my time doing the fun stuff. Whoa, pants! Gotta reestablish your order, girl. Got Gemma coming into your zone. Look at that stance. Jeez, pants. I wouldn't mess with her, Gemma. Just walk away. You bird. Pup, and you gotta make sure the mice move out of here too. But the roosters moved out, so it's time for a clean out. I got the wagon here, and that wind's picking up. I smell the petrichor, pup. Rufio! Good to see you, bud.
Yeah, I mean, I'm getting to the point.
All right, Dot, Gina, it's all up to you. You guys can finish cleaning up in here. I'm Pup. We're gonna be pressure washing in here next time. You guys can go outside in the pig pen. New place to explore. Oh, we already got a bunch out there. Oh, ladies. There's some work to do out there before the pigs come too. We had a couple rounds of rain go through already. I'm not sure how much rain we got, but the clouds are still coming. What? What? What are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Now I see ya. What are you yelling about? You calm down. It's almost dinner time. Got the chickens out there working on the compost. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this one. We're trying to switch gears here, getting from winter to spring, and there's still a lot more to do. So if you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave, and you can see me and Echo Pup on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Go.
Oh, Pup, it's already getting greener out here.